not going to provide you the source of power. This is standard approach of that now. Risk from adjacent operation facility. There is no operation facility because we understood that you are going to shut down the individual well and there is no well nearby. But yes, there will be some hydrocarbon facility nearby. So you are going to follow the company WMS procedure and road safety procedure is there, so that there is no major concern in terms of nearby hydrocarbon inactive facility. Maintenance, no major concern. Okay, for maintenance of correlage meter, have you done the 3D model review?
There is no 3D.
Yeah.
No 3D. So how will you ensure that approach for the correlage meter are in place? I mean, this is a simple pipe in pipe, right? There is no major concern.
No major concern. Access is available, so existing line is there, so there is no major concern for maintenance. But Numan, do we need to remove the correlage meter for the maintenance?
Not maintenance, calibration. Say, for example, you are doing calibration. For calibration, you need to have something. But for calibration, you need to have the approach and access. So
no, that is there. That is there. No, just I'm asking if we need to remove the correlage meter.
Not every time. Maybe
not every time. The routine
Okay.
calibration doesn't require any removal.
Yeah,
but
not
like
required.
over
It
life.
is maintenance free, almost maintenance free, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Only
No
calibration is
parts.
required. Only calibration is required. Other than
Yeah.
no.
Yeah.
For climate weather, I think yes, there is no major concern because we are saying that company weather management system is there, and this has been evaluated in the hazard also. No major concern. Complexities, I don't think any problem for the complexity of construction because already carried out the value engineering workshop with the company. Have you done the value engineering? No. It's a simple in the package and the CO ORE. Interfaces. So we said that yes, interfaces will be there, but Santosh and Noman,